All right, day 3 here on the Pelagic Explorer in the Bahamas. Captain Steve Campana bringing us offshore now to try our luck at a little fishing. We're gonna troll for some mahi, then drop down and see if we can catch some grouper or snapper. Another beautiful day. Let's take a look around. Not a bad looking island there. Behind us is Rose Island, where we snorkeled and anchored yesterday. Lots of boats heading in to do the same. Coming up over here, you can see the outlines of Paradise Island and Nassau. Another beautiful day. We'll check in later. If you like these videos, please subscribe and like, as you'll help the channel grow and go. Peace out.